730.
Route 730?
Yeah, it's with the sign.
Oh, okay. Well, we're in Virginia, and we're back on the Discovery route, and I was kind of silly. I downloaded the card, but I forgot to recharge the battery. Oh, so we had come off the Discovery route first thing this morning. That was a shale road that led into Walnut Creek, which was closed, and we went just a little further down the road, and we went into the horse camp and stayed the night there. White Cedar?
Yes.
Something like that. Okay,
yeah.
Cool. White Cedar horse camp. That worked out really cool. The sights were decent. Or obviously a little horse poop around the place, but I mean, it didn't smell, so that was wonderful. But we backed out of that road. I didn't like the shale. We scooted around, and I think that was like 42 East or something like that. But we caught back up to the BDR now, and it's been tarred, and it has been a winding road. That was right down to 15-mile-an-hour curves back there. That, I mean, for the right-hand curves, excuse me, left-hand curves, I'm looking out the side window to see around them. That's how tight they are. So this has been a really wonderful road. Alright, so that kind of catches us up to probably an hour on the road so far, maybe an hour and a half. But
it's been an hour.
It's been an hour?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, damn. No, it was a statue.
Oh. They faked us.
They faked us.
They got us. We're tourists. But as you saw from the sign, it's still going to keep snaking around 20-mile-an-hour turns, which means they're going to get tight up here. And they just redid the road. Wow, look at this. Oh my God, is this pretty? Yeah, look at these roads. This has been a lot of this route like this. Man, I can see why these guys love it on their bikes. There is no just sitting back and going down a straightaway. Cute. Anyway, that's the catch-up. Caught a glimpse of a nice little view over here. I'm hoping on this turn. No, we get down a little bit too low. But boy, that went right up the valley to a nice ridge line. We're off the Discovery route again. I don't know, I just missed the turn, so I kind of said the hell with it, and I'm out on 42 East again. This has been a nice road. Oh yeah, you can see the ridge line over there.
Yeah, I see a little bit of it. Yep.
Yeah. It's a shame you can't see through these trees, but like we can, but God, what a view over there. But yeah, we're out on 42 East again. We will catch up to the BDR in a little bit, and there's a campsite on this route that I wanted to try and hit anyway, so yeah, we'll see how this goes. This is still 42 East. It is marked as the Virginia Scenic Byway, and it is all of that. Rolling hills, farms, vistas. This is really cute. We are just east of the actual Discovery route, which looks like it's another heavily snaked road. But we're going to catch up to it again before we hit this evening's campsite. But yeah, very nice scenic run. This has been enjoyable. I have no idea why we have run the interstate so much and never came into this part. Yeah, well, sorry, I should have jumped on that earlier. That was a cute little view. Still 42 East, Virginia Scenic Byway. This road is nice. This does not disappoint. Moves right along. Speed limit is 55, but I'll be darned if I'm doing any more than 45 on it. Some of these turns, because you'll come into this a lot, there'll be 15 and 20 mile an hour curves in it, like this one. But gorgeous views, nice road, keeps you entertained, that's for sure. Another reminder, that was what, 5 miles apart?
Yep.
Do not cross that solid line. Oh my goodness. Amazing how much they have to remind the people around here. Don't do it. Don't do it! There isn't a road out here that does not have these curves. I swear, by the time we chain all these videos together, all you're going to see is me going around hairpin turns at 20 and 15 miles an hour. God, this area is just amazing. And again, this is not the Discovery Road. This is 42 East. Wow. This road has not disappointed. Peaceful Valley Road. Now doesn't that sound soothing? And it's a nice little ride right through here. We get some peaks at the ridges that were up in front of us. We will be going back into the National Forest shortly here and actually connecting back up with the Discovery Road. But all the way through here, on or off the Mid-Atlantic Discovery Route, this has been really nice drives. Very happy with this whole run through here. Alright, we are back on the Mid-Atlantic Discovery Route. We're going to connect and break off of it kind of constantly on this whole run back. Just depends upon what we see. But this is an awesome forest road right here. This is that man pack they put down. This is as smooth as the tarred roads, in fact better. I did not like that shale road back there, but this is just awesome. Love this. You can tell when you come out of the National Forest, the road narrows. I mean, it's tarred now and it's still pretty smooth, but man, it dropped like half a width. Well, half a vehicle width. Yep. Guy on a tractor. Stay in your yard. Attaboy. Yeah. I know. It's Sunday and we're driving down your road. We're going to be leaving the Discovery Road again fairly soon here. I'm not sure I'm going to connect back up with it this evening. We're going to go a little northwest and head into the George Washington National Forest. A little better picks on campsites over there for tonight, so we're going to head that way. We just had lunch at the Pines campground in Jefferson National Forest, and that's actually a free stay and not a bad little spot. It's free, so it's getting overrun a little bit and trashed a little bit, but bottom line, it's still a very nice campground, nice sights, the whole routine. Water, pit toilet, and trash. This is the Pines campground. It is in Jefferson National Forest. Decent little site, nice and level. I think I got one of the bigger. There's a double site over there. But we're not going to stay. We're going to take off from here. Has pit toilets, water collects somewhere as we're driving around, and picnic table, fire ring, basic stuff. But the big thing here is it's free. We got Mutter's Mountain, and then to the right a little is Little Mountain, going to Bald Mountain at 3,500 feet, to Patterson Mountain, which is just about straight out at 2,200 feet, Price, which would be one of those peaks up on the ridge line, Cadwell at 28, and then over to the right, right where you pointed now, that would be North Mountain at 3,000 feet. Wow. We stumbled across this waterfall, which we stopped for a few minutes to take a good look at and get a couple of pictures. It was kind of a run-down little rest area, so we really didn't stay too long here. I seem to have lost the video that I did of the Hidden Valley Campground, George Washington National Forest, and this is where the Warwick Mansion is. The Warwick Mansion was the original landowner here, and it has been turned into a bed and breakfast. So it's been restored a bit. It did go into disrepair from what I had learned. Very neat place, really a classic National Forest campground. Did like it. Yeah, it is cute. I'm probably way too light to get you a shot of this, but man, I've been doing 20 miles an hour on this road because the houses are like on the edge of the tar. I mean, seriously, corner of houses touching the road. That to go around the curve, you got to go around the house. Wow, this has been pretty wild. It was like 6 or 8 of them right after another. The road's only like a vehicle and a half wide, so meeting somebody on one of those turns would be interesting. I think someone would actually have to back up. Yeah, it figures. As soon as I turn the camera on, of course, I won't see another one. I need a foot pedal for this thing, so I can just hit it and click, and on it goes, and I can catch these things. Oh my god. Yeah, so this isn't the Discovery route. I have no idea why not. But we're about to hook back up with it. The route we were trying to do is detoured, and this road up here is the Discovery route. So we'll be back on it right here.